Welcome to Fluree, one place for your data and context. First, add all of your data sources. We'll connect the dots automatically. Once you have your data together, you can ask any question you want and get verifiable answers back. Every answer is cited and built on verifiable data. Nothing is a black box. And every claim carries its source. You can build agents that watch your data and act on it, with policy deciding exactly what they're allowed to do. Build a live dashboard in a single prompt: permissioned, up-to-date, traceable, and auditable. Using our SDK and MCP servers, create full read-write applications. Fluree is future-proof and pluggable. Your graph gets sharper with every new source, human, and agent that you add. So throw everything at Fluree. We connect the dots automatically and give your AI a place it can actually trust.